also saw that. One lady
Well, the
judicial
Union of
officer
India has no role
was
to play in
under
this.
siege. He is recorded by a journalist crying that my life is in danger, my family is in danger. If something happens to me, please take care of my family.
From Uttar
Can I-
Pradesh, CRPF people are coming to beat you. Be prepared to face.
Let me.
Kindly have it.
200
let's not-
chiefs of
Well,
See Miller, can you see the speech?
I-
are come to beat you.
Should I give another?
Very provocative speech.
Should I give another?
They don't want a solution.
And we have to say,
Kindly have it, Millets. And Millets,
Political
a
leaders will
judicial
have to be-
officer,
Lord, it is
a judicial officer was crying, please, anything happens
don't
to
mind.
save my children.
kindly amount to changing the dates prescribed.
No change in date.
And representation of people with
You have
conduct of
changed
election rules.
you have changed everything. You have destroyed the democracy. You have changed
That we have to say something. On destroying the
Yes.
democracy, we have to say something.
May I submit one thing, Millets, since they are talking about, Millets, I need to be,
made elsewhere.
Millets,
Giri.
my lords gave on the last occasion, Millets, my lords permitted us to deploy forces as are required because the safety of the office is very important, and we have been doing it in that process. Kindly similar yesterday's speech. And just, I don't want to,
Something
Millets,
really,
kindly
really
Millets, it's been said, from Uttar
Can I-
Pradesh, CRPF people are coming to beat you. Be prepared to face.
Let me.
Kindly have it.
200
let's not-
chiefs of
Well,
See Millets, can you see the speech?
are come to
Can-
beat you.
Should I give another?
Very provocative speech.
Should I give another?
They don't want a solution.
And we have to say,
Kindly have it, Millets. And Millets,
Political
a
leaders will have
judicial
to be-
officer,
Lord, it is
a judicial officer was crying, please, anything happens
don't
to me,
mind,
save my
Lord,
children.
kindly have
vote what-
only a minute.
been made
Come
by-
on, I also saw that. One lady
Well, the
judicial
Union of
officer
India has no role to
was
play in
under
this.
siege. He is recorded by a journalist crying that my life is in danger, my family is in danger. If something happens to me, please take care of my family. I would request
Yes,
if
but-
he has that.
Yes,
Please
we have had
show it
everything.
to the court. My lord, what is the
Yesterday.
situation, my lord?
here are,
Well, this is not fair.
here are all, they are not the
To hear Millets, I can play it here itself.
This is not fair.
Increase the volume. There is
There's the first one, please.
increase the volume. Better increase the volume.
Kindly press on
No,
the
we-
button, Millets.
My lord, volume will have to be increased. That's what Mr. Naidu said. You know how to.
Yes.
Where is the sound?
Millets,
then we have
yes,
to please
Millets,
the prime.
perhaps the younger generation could guide your lordships.
So don't do that.
No, my lord, the Chief Justice and other honorable
Let's
judges
not-
are also young,
Let's not talk of.
relatively younger.
Then don't say about speeches, then we have to take the prime minister's speech. What the prime minister has delivered.
Yes,
Kindly,
wait, please.
only a minute.
Yes.
Listen to this.
We will also.
Less than a minute.
Listen to this. This is not a speech.
Less than a minute.
We will also show.
Please.
Prime minister's speech.
Don't shout down. Let it be heard.
Well, this is not fair.
Uttar
Madam
Pradesh.
Judge.
Yes?
This is
Can you
not-
deny that? Why not? We have been given the task of, Millets, we have been given the task of safeguarding the officers. And these are the speeches.
See now, my lord, the judicial officer, at least other side would have the respect for a judicial officer.
Judicial officers at the end of the day.
Where is the ECI's neutrality in
Carry
this?
your lordship's
It's
extended
a,
limb.
it's an election candidate speech that the ECI is showing.
He is a judicial, she is a
Yes.
judicial officer.
Judicial officer, that we have.
Will somebody take care of my children?
You are now diverting the issue.
This rabble rousing, this incendiary speeches will vitiate the atmosphere. And my lords have been doing everything to see that it goes on on an even keel.
The way the things have happened in the past, they are absolutely needed. And if the state machinery fails, you let us know, we will see what is to be done.
So be it.
Mr.
Lordship's
Giri.
extended limb. The judicial
May I-
officer is
may I
crying
make a
before the
sub-
camera.
Well,
He is
why
the
should
most
the
pathetic
Union of
thing
India
one can see. Forget
He's
politics.
saying all this.
I'm not on.
Now, my lord, now, my lord, he was talking about the speech. Now kindly hear this speech.
We are not, we are.
My lord, kindly hear this speech. Chief Minister has been said he will be killed. Kindly see.
Anybody?
He was talking about peace.
No.
Done next.
For all must have done it
The
because.
person on the street speaking and the chief
And
minister
then-
speaking have
and
entirely different connotations, my lord.
She will be killed.
The one who has to
That's all.
safeguard the
One
people.
problem is happening because
I know.
of
So if I
My
can,
lord,
I can show
my lords, if
even
for a moment,
expedite the hearing of the tribunal in respect of.
100
Tribunals
now to decide, my lord.
on 20th March 2026, before whom the order, the decision taken by the judicial officers while disposing the objections in the SIR process, could be challenged. These appellate tribunals are headed by former Chief Justices, stroke senior judges of the High Court. The premises for these 19 appellate tribunals was shortlisted and detailed, the premises shortlisted for the functioning of these appellate tribunals is duly mentioned in para 6 of our order dated 1st April 2026. We also clarified through para 9 of that order that the alleged non-availability of reasons for rejection of the objections by the adjudicating officers would be raised before the appellate tribunal by the persons whose names have been excluded from the voter list or by such objectors stroke authorities of the Election Commission of India who might be aggrieved by the inclusion of certain names in the voter list. Next paragraph. To eliminate any doubt, we requested the appellate tribunals to revisit the full records, including the reasons assigned by the judicial officers. It was further clarified that the appellate tribunals will be free to evolve their own procedure in accordance with principle of natural justice, and that they may provide a fair opportunity of being heard to the parties while deciding the appeals. Next paragraph. Meanwhile, a letter was received by Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court from one of the former Chief Justice who has graciously consented to preside over one of the appellate tribunals. There, the issue regarding regarding inverted commas personal hearing to the affected party has been pointed out. Next paragraph. In this regard, it seems to us that with a view to bring uniformity in the procedure to be followed by all the 19 appellate tribunals, it would be necessary that such procedure is formally prescribed before adjudication of the appeals. Consequently, we request the Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta to constitute a team of 3 senior most former Chief Justices stroke judges who may lay down the procedure to be followed by the appellate tribunal. I constitute a committee of 3 former chief justices stroke judges who shall prescribe the procedure which shall be mandatorily followed by all the 19 appellate tribunals uniformly. Full stop. We request Honorable Chief Justice to constitute this committee immediately and let the said committee make an endeavor to prescribe the procedure by tomorrow. By tomorrow, so that the appeals can be taken up for hearing immediately. So as to expedite the adjudication of the appeals. First. We further find from the court that Registrar General of the High Court at Calcutta has requested the Election Commission of India via email dated 5th April 2026 to clarify certain issues, namely, when will be the venue of the appellate tribunal be ready to be functional in all respect. We are informed by Sri Naidu and Senior Counsel for ECI on instructions that the venue of the appellate tribunals is that the necessary, the requisite infrastructure has been made available, and the appellate tribunals are ready to function from the allocated premises. The second query pertains to the payment of honorarium and other incidental expenses to the former judges of the appellate tribunals. So in this regard, the Honorable Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court you want their accounts to be obtained. May obtain the account number of the former. The account number and the bills from the former judges, former chief justices, stroke judges, and the Election Commission of India shall make necessary payments
Upon raising the bills.
along with honorarium without any delay. No, you have received the recommendations from the Chief Justice.
Accepted.
Huh?
We have accepted the recommendation and communicated, and this is
Those recommendations are accepted and communicated, Millers.
Yes, but
If my lords are talking about
that's an
the bills, Millers, they have to be raised and we'll pay.
the official notification by the election commission is required.
That's been done, Millers.
No, the notification.
That has not been issued. That need to be issued.
Well, I'll just check, Millers.
Yes, please check. If not, then by.
If it's not been issued, straight away it could be issued.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Yes,
please
yes,
issue the notification.
And other incidental expenses to the Honorable Judge of the Appellate Tribunal, let the Election Commission of India issue a formal notification stroke circular tomorrow, that is 7th April 2026, and let the necessary payments as per that notified rate should be made to all the members of the appellate.
We'll coordinate with the Honorable High Court and we'll get all instructions and then we'll just accordingly comply with that one.
That's